કાળિયાબીડ વિસ્તારમાં આવેલ નાઇસ્થ પ્રાઇમરી ઇંગ્લિશ સ્કૂલ ખાતે આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય મહિલા દિનની ઉજવણી નિમિત્તે ઇમેજ કોચ ટ્વિંકલ બંસલના સેમિનારનું આયોજન શ્રીમતી અંબિકા ટેકરીવાલ અને શ્રીમતી એકતા શાહની વિશેષ ઉપસ્થિતિમાં કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું. કાર્યક્રમ અંગેની માહિતી ભાવના નરસિયાએ આપી હતી.
Good morning. Today, on behalf of the Women's Day, International Women's Day, normally women are doing anything and everything. We have, I, Miss Bhavna Narsiyan, the principal of NICE, the primary section, have organized an International Women's Day on account of that belated program, because that day it was Shivratri and mothers were not free. So today we have taken the opportunity to call the mothers, and the trend today is everyone wants to look good. So the speaker, Twinkle Bansal, whom we have invited, she has taken so many lectures about grooming. So sometimes the mothers do not know how to dress up and come. So we are just treating them accordingly. All that we are taking, mothers will be interested, they will dress up accordingly and come. That is the reason. Along with them, with the support of Chintan ma'am, we have invited Ambika ji Tekriwal and Ekta ji Shah. Ambika ji, who is an event manager, well-known personality in Bhavnagar, and Ekta ji, who is running a closet here. For this efforts, all the efforts, my whole staff, the primary staff, each and every teacher has taken so much pains to make it successful. She is gonna just talk to the parents to make them comfortable that only dressing or only talking is not going to work. Everything considers. Some people there is inborn ability and others do not have the inborn ability. So it is a two-way connection. That's what we are trying to explain the mothers.
The thing which makes wow is a beautiful aura or the surrounding, and it is probably the surrounding which matters, but it comes ultimately from the meditation. Yes. So if a person is having a physical exercise and is meditating regularly, then itself he will become a wow.
Perfect. And personality also matters. The surrounding is her aura. जो लोग देख के ही impress हो जाते हैं, which makes her wow.
Yes.
And I should make the other person feel wow. सामने वाली दूसरी लेडीज को जब हम अनकंफर्टेबल नहीं फील करवाते हैं, that is looking wow. The three main factors, A, B and C. A for appearance. Appearance आपका जो आप दिख रहे हैं, correct? Your dressing, your grooming, your styling, ये सब आता है आपका A for looking wow appearance. ABC में B. B is your behavior. आप कैसे किसी को ट्रीट करते हैं. अगर मैं ब्लेजर पावर ड्रेसिंग में आके पावर झाड़ रही हूँ, रिमोट देना तो जरा, आप साइड हो जाइए प्लीज. अगर मैं एरोगेंस दिखाती हूँ, एटीट्यूड थ्रो करती हूँ, आई कैन नॉट लुक वाव. आपके माइंड में पहले देखकर अपीयरेंस देख के वाव आया भी होगा तो वो वाव मुरझा जाएगा. तो हम कैसे बिहेव करते हैं दूसरों के साथ, खुद को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं. दूसरों को तो शायद हम इज्जत दे देते हैं, पर कितनी सारी बार हम खुद को ही इज्जत देना भूल जाते हैं. मुझसे नहीं हो सकता यार, वो सब मुझसे बेटर है, मैं नहीं ऐसा कर सकती यार, वो उसकी बात अलग है, वो कर सकती है. अंदर से करना है, बट द सेल्फ डाउट होता है सबको, किसी न किसी पॉइंट पे होता है. देयर आर डेज, स्पेशली पीएमएस वाले, जब लगता है बिल्कुल बेकार, कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
आंचल में ममता लिए, आंखों में आंसू पिए, माँ, बेटी और बहू का हर फर्ज तुम निभाती हो. सारे जग को रोशन करती तुम ही तो भारत की नारी हो. ईश्वर ने जब सृष्टि की रचना की थी तो ईश्वर को पता था कि वो छोटे बच्चों का बेस्ट केयर, प्रोटेक्शन और प्यार नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि उनके पास तो समय ही नहीं था.